Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of GBPJPY in front of us, and I'm making a video on GBPJPY after a long time. I think I used to make regular videos on GBPJPY a couple of months ago, but people started losing interest. The views dropped badly, so I also stopped making videos on GBPJPY. But recently, I have been receiving requests for GBPJPY, and I decided to make a video. Okay, but this is not going to be a regular one. So it closed at 174.12. This is the last traded price. And if you look at the overall chart of GBPJPY, we can see a clear uptrend market. There is no doubt about it. If you look at the present trend of the market, then also we can see that bulls are dominating the market. Why? Because sometimes we get to see a contrast on the present trend and the overall trend, but we can see here that the overall trend is also towards the upside and present trend is also towards the upside. So in this type of market, okay, your strategy is very simple. Whenever the market will come for retracement, you need to take a buy position, buy at dip. In short, buy at dip is the best strategy in this type of market. If I take you to the weekly chart here, then you can see the market right now is struggling to cross the weekly resistance here. If market crosses the weekly resistance of 174.3, 174.40, then the road will be clear and market will try to continue the upside. Okay, right now there is a temporary resistance because weekly levels are quite strong, but otherwise, okay, the trend of the market is undoubtedly very much bullish. So what should be a strategy on GBPJPY then? The line at the top is the weekly level. Let me change the color to red. So this is the weekly level here. So if market wants to continue the upside, market will have to cross this level again. Market will have to cross 174.40. But right now the momentum of the market is going down. You can see that undoubtedly market is an uptrend, but if we observe the momentum, then momentum is reducing. You can see that we also have a minor divergence here. Okay, it shows that the strength of the bulls is slightly reducing. So there's a good chance that by Monday, Tuesday, GBPJPY will be coming for retracement and we can just go for a buy and retracement. So what are the levels for retracement then? First of all, we have the 50 moving average. The green line, the 50 moving average is acting as a dynamic support for quite some time. So if market comes for retracement, observe the market around the 50 moving average. If market takes support, just like the previous times, you can obviously go for a buy position without any doubt. But in case the retracement is very strong, if you say retracement is very strong, market is not respecting the 50 moving average, market forms a big red candle on 50 moving average, obviously market will not take support then you can observe the market around 172.20 to 172.30. You can also observe the market around this area. Why 172.2030? Okay, let me show you. You can see here around 170, okay, around 172.3040 level. First of all, we have Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level, and then we also have previous resistance acting as support, and we will also be having the 100 moving average around this area. So more or less you can consider this area to be packed with buyers. So good amount of buyers will be present around this area. So in case the 50 moving average fails to provide support to the market, definitely we can expect 172.2030 around this level. You can definitely expect the buyers to be present and provide a support to the market. If market takes support, definitely we can consider a buy position. And we can also see that we have a trend line. We have a trend line coming from the bottom. Okay, that is also support for us. So we have multiple layers of support on the chart of GBPJPY because of the ongoing present structure. The structure of the market is extremely bullish, but as the market is in uptrend for quite some time, that's why the momentum of the market is reducing, and that is a good sign because we will get to buy GBPJPY at retracement. So if market comes for retracement and takes support in any of these levels, okay, we can definitely go for a buy position. So I'm doing the analysis on 4 hours. It's a slow one, so you can simply switch to the 1 hour time frame for confirmation. If you see that market is showing price rejection from below, market is forming a bullish engulfing pattern, hammer pattern on 1 hour time frame, 15-inch time frame, you'll get a confirmation that yes, market is taking support. But on the other hand, if we see that market breaks the weekly level, then it's better to take a small lot size. Okay, because see, taking a buy at breakout or in this type of situation is obviously not a very safe thing to do, but obviously you do not want to miss the opportunity also, isn't it? So what you can do is you can go with a small lot size. For example, if you take a one standard lot, so here you can go with a 0.02 or 0.03, so that if you miss the opportunity also, okay, then also you'll not regret much. But why small lot? Because see, if the breakout fails, you will not regret much. Okay, so if market breaks the weekly level here, go with a small lot size, and when market will be coming for retracement again, then you can enter with your full capacity. So if you take a 0.2 lot here, then when market will come for retracement and bounce again, you can again enter with 0.08 again, so that your lot size of 1.0 is fully complete. So just to save yourself from false breakout, you can enter with small lot size. But as the momentum of the market is reducing, it's better to go for a buy at retracement only, either the 50 moving average or the black line or the 100 moving average area or the trend line. Let's wait and watch. So my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Follow proper risk management, strict risk management, because GBPJPY is a volatile pair. So you do not do not compromise with your risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay. And as I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. If you do not see any proper opportunity on the market, you can just avoid it. You can just avoid it. Market is not going anywhere. Okay, do not compromise with your risk management and trading discipline. Bye bye, take care, have fun with your family and friends, enjoy the weekend, take care.